Hey guys, showing you this Taken AA rechargeable batteries. We received this to test and try, so let's see. It's a double AA batteries for the pre-charged and it's a 1.2 volt with a 600 milliampere power. So this can be charged by two ways, like with the power outlet or through the solar power. Like if there is a solar product, you can put these batteries inside it and then it can be charged through the solar power. So these, the shape and size looks really nice. The build looks good, and now we can just try in a product. So the fitting wise, they're like in the battery because they are highly required power products like the racing car and stuff. Let's see, like, so I put in this, so fitting is not a problem with this AA batteries, and now just see the power. So we can just see it's connected. You can see the power here, and then it start working uh, quickly. See, like the power supply is good, and then the energy wise, it's good. So these are really nice batteries, and of course you can charge it up to like 2000 times, and really nice for anything.